Well, hey, look who's here.
Good morning, everyone. Dave Carl, man with a hat, with Brick by Brick Home Inspections.
What's going on in the background here?
Well, we got rain, and we're in Tucson, Arizona. We never get rain, so
Cool.
what a beautiful day.
So this is pretty cool. What
It's
do we
pretty
got?
cool. So we're coming up here. We're looking underneath the front porch overhang of our roof, and here we can see a split in the underlayment, and we've got water coming through. This house was built in 1992, concrete tile roofs, but we have some leakage, so the underlayment is compromised. We're going to need repairs.
Okay, so roofer will have to come remove some tile.
Yes.
Fix the flashing.
Yes.
Okay, we're not telling anybody how to fix it, but we're just showing you what's occurring here.
It's bad. Let's
Wow.
just say that.
Am I glad they got an inspection?
Absolutely.
Thanks a lot.
Have a great day.
Bye.